Okay, we got a 2018 Honda Accord. What happened to this vehicle? They left it on full brakes. That's what they do into these cars. I think everybody knows that by now. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. We did an factory alarm upgrade. There's no need to install another alarm and carry another fob. This sensor picks up, if somebody breaks the window, any of the windows in the vehicle, try to bust out the door lock, or tries bust out the lug nut locks, the alarm will fire off. Basically, when the car even falls on the brakes, the shock sensor will pick up that impact anyway. But we like to fire off the alarm way before that. So when you arm the system, you do the same thing you've been doing. There's no need for another remote control. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. The alarm went off. So yeah, this is basically it. This is a shock sensor add-on. It protects all the windows too. Somebody tries to bust out the lock. The light that you're gonna see flashing on the dash is gonna be factory, and it's gonna be right on the dash. So yeah, this is a factory upgrade. So everything remains nice and clean. Another thing you can always add to these vehicles besides this upgrade to the shock sensor will be the module to get the text notification to your cell phone in the event that the alarm fires off. I can have the system send you a push notification in your phone letting you know anywhere in the United States that the alarm is firing off. So if you live in apartments and you park a little far away, you might not hear the horn honking. We can add this cellular module so you can get the notification, so that way you know that the alarm has been triggered in the vehicle. And it also comes with a free GPS tracker. So God forbid they tow your vehicle, you can track it from the app. That's free of charge. This upgrade was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist, and our numbers are 305-298-4814, and we appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.